In this lesson, we're going to learn all about the annotation layer feature, how to access it, and how to best utilize this great feature. Here is a simple exercise of match the shape to the relevant name. Imagine a student has completed the exercise and you want to give immediate feedback. In most cases, you would need to make corrections over the top and then wipe away and start over. Let's see how the annotation layer changes the dynamics when it comes to on-the-spot marking and feedback. To access the annotation layer, there are two ways. Either press the Note On button located here on the front of the display, which will reveal the feature menu. Then simply tap Note On. This provides a layer over the screen that allows you to place notations over the existing content. In this example, I will draw a line to the correct answer with a different color. You can also switch between layers and make adjustments as the exercise continues. For example, and that is how to use the annotation layer.